Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on word problems about addition and subtraction. The question is Sangeeta right? Sangeeta went to the market with her grandpa. See, she is going to market with her grandpa. So, in the market, she looked at the prices and said to her grandpa. So, prices are written here and she is saying to grandpa, ghee is rupees 102. Costlier than biscuits. Okay, and the next she is saying price of oil and ghee altogether is more than rupees 200 and price of ghee and 10 kg of rice is less than 3000. The next she is telling the question oil costs rupees 40 more than a pack of biscuits. Now our question is Sangeeta right? Mark tick or wrong in the box. So if Sangeeta's answer is correct, then you have to put a tick mark. If Sangeeta's answer is wrong, then you have to put a cross mark on the box. Now let's see the answers one by one. So the first question is ghee is rupees 102 costlier than biscuits. So now from the price list, we'll look out the price list here. Okay, so the cost of ghee is 127. See, it's clear here. Cost of ghee is 127 and then cost of biscuits is 25. Cost of biscuit packet is 25. Okay, so now we want to find how much ghee is costlier than biscuit. So we have to subtract cost of pack of biscuit from the cost of ghee. So we know that cost of ghee is rupees 127 and the cost of biscuit is rupees 25. So we have to subtract 127 minus 25. So now here I have written in hundreds, tens and ones column. So 100, 12, 20, tens and then 7 ones. And then 25 we have only 2 tens and then 1 5. So and I am going to subtract this. So 127 minus 25. So I have to subtract 5 from 7. So if I take away 5 from 7, I'll get only 2. Next, 2 minus 2. So if you take away 2 or if you subtract 2 from 2, you'll get 0. Then here the number is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So ghee is costlier than biscuit by rupees 102. So thus we can say ghee is 2 rupees costlier than biscuits. So Sangeeta also said the same. Ghee is rupees 102 costlier than biscuit. So Sangeeta is right and we have to put tick mark in the box provided. The next what Sangeeta is saying is price of oil and ghee altogether is more than rupees 200. So she is saying price of oil and ghee. So we will see the price list. So the cost of ghee is rupees 127 and the cost of oil is, it's here it is 70. So now to find the price of oil and ghee altogether, we have to add the cost of ghee and the cost of oil. So cost of ghee is rupees 127 and cost of oil is 70. So now I am going to write this 127 in hundreds, tens and ones column. So 100s, 2 tens and 7 ones. And then cost of oil is rupees 70. So it's 7 tens and 0 ones. So cost of ghee and the cost of oil together we are going to add it. So 7 plus 0 is 7 and then 2 plus 7 is 9 and then 1 plus 0. Here no number so we can take it as 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So the cost of ghee and cost of oil altogether is rupees 197. So now price of oil and ghee altogether is more than 200. We know that 197 is less than 200. So what Sangeeta is saying? Price of oil and ghee altogether is more than 200. But here it is less than 200. So Sangeeta's answer is wrong. So we have to put a cross mark in the box provided. Now let's see what next Sangeeta is saying. Price of ghee and 10 kg rice is less than rupees 300. So she is comparing ghee and rice. So now from the price list we will see the price of ghee. So it is 127 and we will see the cost of rice. So 10 kg rice it says rupees 150. So I am writing cost of ghee 127 and cost of rice that is 10 kg rice is rupees 150. So now to find price of ghee and 10 kg rice altogether, we have to add the cost of ghee and the cost of 10 kg rice. So the cost of ghee is rupees 127. So I am writing in hundreds, tens and ones column as 100s, 2 tens and 7 ones. Then the cost of 10 kg rice is rupees 150. So it's 100s, 5 tens and 0 ones. So now I am going to add this. So cost of ghee and cost of 10 kg rice altogether is, so 7 plus 0 is 7 and 2 plus 5 is 7 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So totally it is 277. Our question is, price of ghee and 10 kg rice altogether is less than 300. So we know that 277 is less than 300. So therefore Sangeeta's answer is right. So we have to put a tick mark in the box provided. So I have put a tick mark in the box provided. The next question Sangeeta says is, oil costs rupees 40 more than pack of biscuits. So from the price list, the cost of oil is rupees 70 and the cost of pack of biscuits is rupees 25. So now we want to find how much oil costs more than a pack of biscuit. So we want to subtract the cost of pack of biscuits, that is 25 rupees, from the cost of oil, which is 70 rupees. So now I am going to subtract. First I am writing the cost of oil. So it's 70. We need only tens column and ones column. So 7 in tens column and 0 in ones column. Then cost of pack of biscuits is 25. So I am writing 2 in tens column and 5 in ones column. Now I am going to subtract this. So here 0 ones and 5 ones. So we want to subtract 5 ones from 0 ones. So this is not possible. So I am borrowing 1 from this 7. So this will become 10 and the 7 will reduce to 1. So it will become 6. So now I am subtracting 10 minus 5. So which is 5, and then 6 minus 2, which is 4. So the oil cost more than a pack of biscuit by rupees 45. So the given question is, oil cost rupees 40 more than a pack of biscuits. So therefore Sangeeta's answer is wrong. So we have to put a cross mark in the box provided. Hope you have understood all the examples well. So you have to read the question, you have to understand where to add and where to subtract the given numbers, and we can follow the hundreds, tens and ones method of addition and subtraction. Thank you for watching the video.